Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well this week. I'm back with this week's CVS haul and I grabbed some few items that turned out to be an awesome money maker. If you have the same coupons and CRTs like I do and you want to follow it exactly the way I did it, you will be in and out of CVS very fast. The first deal I'll be picking up will be on the spend 20 on Aquaphor Eucerin facial care, get $10 back, and this is a limit of 1. And I'll be picking up the Eucerin hydrating foam cleanser priced at $11.99, and also the hydrating micellar water priced at $11.99 as well. I have this 7 off 2 coupon that we got from the 7-9 savings set. These two items will come up to $23.98, and after the 7 off 2 coupon comes off, it will bring it down to $16.98. I will pay that and I'll get $10 back. And this deal will even get better because I will submit my receipt to Ibotta to get $2 back on each one of them. I did this deal last time, so I have one more tracking to get $1 bonus for doing it twice. After the rebate and the extra care box, these two items will end up being $1.99 or 99 cents each. I have a 10 off 17 next purchase CRT that I printed at the bottom of my receipt last week that I'll be adding to this transaction. Let me go find more deals to do with it. The second deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 15, get $5 back, limit of 1, and the off products are included to this deal. That's the off insect repellent. They are priced at $10.99. I'll be picking up 2 to be able to get to $15. And I'll be using this $3 coupon I got from coupons.com. These two items will come up to $21.98. And after the two $3 coupon come off, it will bring it down to $15.98, and I'll get my $5 back. And I'll also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one of them, making these two items $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I'll be adding will be CoverGirl Cosmetics. It's on buy 2, get $4 back, or you buy 3, get $7 back, and it's a limit of $7. It's a tier deal, so it doesn't track. I'll be picking up 3 of the Perfect Blend Pencil. I was lucky to find 3 today. When I did my deals video, my store only had 2, but I'm able to find 3, which made it even better. These 3 items will come up to $14.97. And I have this $3 coupon that we got from the 7-9 savings set. And we also received a $4 instant CRT today, leaving me to pay just $1.97 and get $7 back because I'm buying 3, making all 3 items free and a $5.03 money maker. And the last deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tool. It's on buy 2, get $5 back, limit of 1. And I'll be doing this very simple. I'll be picking up 2 of the emery boards priced at $4.99 each, and 2 of them will come up to $9.98. I don't have any coupon for this, but everybody received another $5 instant CRT today that will apply, leaving me to pay just $4.98 and get $5 back. Check your Ibotta because mine, I have $1 back on each one of them. That will end up making both of them free and a $2 money maker. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and these are all the items I picked up. And these are how all the coupons applied. Everything came off. An extra $2 came off from the Eucerin. I think we got this coupon 2 weeks ago and I clicked that and added it to my account. So that double dipped with the 7 off 2 and even made this deal free. I ended up using $27 extra care box, paid 91 cents out of pocket, and I got back $5 for the spend 15, get $5 back, $10 back for spend 20, get 10 for the Eucerin, $7 back for buy 3 for the CoverGirl, and also for the Revlon, I got back $5 for buying 2. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $2, that's $1 for each of the Revlon, and for the off products, I got $3 back on each one of them, a total of $6. And also for the Eucerin, I got back $2 for each one of them. And I also completed the bonus. I got back extra $1. That's $5 for the Eucerin, making this whole transaction free and $11.09 money maker. I received a $3 CRT for Hallmark items. So what I did was pick up 6 of the 49-cent bag. That will be a total of $2.94, and the $3 CRT adjusted down to that amount, and I pay 0 out of pocket. Thank you all for watching and joining me again, and I'll see you next time.